Okay. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
Now today you are going to talk about computers. All right?
Yes.
I will start from you. Okay.
Okay. According to me, computer is a very useful thing for human being. Nowadays we can't live without computer because computer make our life very easy, and because of that thing, we get time to do many things in our life.
Good.
Computer, if somebody is working in MNC, he have to work on that. It is very useful to who is working in MNC, because of that lots of work, whatever he do, almost 80-70% work is he doing on the you doing on the computer. And computer we can chat with to anyone, and we can send a message to anyone, and computer is very useful to us.
Good.
Sometimes computers are good and sometimes computers are bad. Yeah, like means jobs, searching, and products are we are selling products and buying products, and like some
New things.
new things are knowledge.
Okay.
We are knowledgeable.
Good. Next.
Computers are very advantageous in our life. We can buy anything from internet, and we can sell anything. So many facilities are available in computers. There are many websites are available on internet. On that we can search job, we can buy anything, or we can sell. In that way, we can book ticket also. That is the advantages of computers.
Good.
Nowadays computer is very important because whatever you want to learn, whatever you want to read, whatever you want to watch the video, you can easily available on a computer or in the internet. And many companies and many business sector use computer because we cannot work without computer.
Good.
According to me, computer is very useful for us because I have computer, so I book directly by computer aeroplane ticket and railway ticket also. I can work very easily by computer. So computer is very useful for us.
Good.
Okay, according to me, computer is very useful for human being. Because of computer, we can store many things in our computer. Like if you want to store some
Images.
images, so we can store it in our computer. We can also do live chatting by computer, by internet. We can also do text chatting by computer, so we can communicate with each other. Because of computer, we can nowadays computers are very important in our life because we can get anything from computer, from internet. We can buy anything because of computer. And if you want to book tickets, we can book it. So these are advantages of
Good.
computers.
Computer makes our life very easy. If you want something, you just go on the computer. And surfing on the net. So you just go. You just click there, and you will get the variety of things of one product. Then also the computers computer
You are useful.
computers are useful for our it also reduces the time limit also. If there is no need to go to the bank for the transfer of the money, you just go on the computer, start the net banking and log in it. I think it is useful for us.
Great. Congratulations everybody. Everybody has done very well. Congratulations everybody.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
sir.